Hey guys, I have posted the first unboxing video of POCO M4 Pro more than a week ago. All this time I have been testing the smartphone, and now you can watch this video with performance test. POCO smartphone is designed for young people, so it should have a good performance to run heavy games such as Genshin Impact. First, I want to run the benchmarks, and then play the games. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Tech Brothers, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications about the new videos. By the way, in case you forgot, POCO M4 Pro is equipped with Dimensity 810 chipset with 5nm process technology. However, for some reason, AIDA64 says that the smartphone has Dimensity 700 with 7nm process technology. This is a mistake in the app. I have a model with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. The smartphone is also available in version with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal memory. You can see that POCO M4 Pro scores 251,000 points in AnTuTu, 574 points in single-core test of Geekbench 5 and 1756 points in multi-core test. In addition, there is 2708 overall score in 3D Mark. In general, the benchmark results are good for $180 smartphone. Okay, now we can play some games on POCO M4 Pro. By the way, the smartphone has 90Hz display and dual speaker. These features make playing games more exciting. The first game is PUBG Mobile. To be honest, I don't play this game myself, but only run it to test the performance of smartphones. Do you play it? Write in the comments below. As you can see, the maximum graphics in PUBG Mobile is HD and FPS is high. POCO M4 Pro also doesn't have any problems with Asphalt 9 and Call of Duty Mobile. What about Genshin Impact? As I know, it is one of the heaviest Android games. It is comfortable to play, but sometimes there are slowdowns. It is not a big problem, but I should have told you about it. So, in my opinion, POCO M4 Pro is a good smartphone for playing games. I didn't find any big problems during gaming or everyday use. By the way, the smartphone doesn't heat up much after long games. That's very good. If you want me to play any games on POCO M4 Pro, write in the titles in the comments below. I will upload the videos to our second channel or TikTok account. Thank you for watching. See you soon!